Imagine you log in one morning and everything's locked. Files gone. Emails frozen. A message on your screen demands a ransom fee. It's a cyber attack, and it's every business owner's worst nightmare. Of course, you can prevent most attacks. Use strong passwords randomly generated and stored by a password manager. Also, multi-factor authentication, where you prove it's you on a different device. And make sure you have a firewall and active security software. But let's be realistic. No system can be 100% secure if you also need it to be usable. That's why a recovery plan is just as important as proactive security. First, make sure you have secure offsite backups that are immutable. That means they can't be changed. Then you can restore your data without paying criminals. Your plan should outline who to contact, including your IT team, legal advisors, even customers if needed. If your systems go down, you'll need to plan how you'll communicate without them. And of course, the steps to kick out the criminals and safely restore your data. Think of this plan like a fire drill. You hope you never need it, but if you do, it could save your business. Can we help make your business cyber resilient? Get in touch.